Hey, this is Kanchan, and you probably know me as Petite Procrastinator from Instagram. I'm a watercolor artist and an illustrator. In this class, I'm going to show you how you can paint a leaf using a live subject like this. I have used the same process to paint many leaves like this, and believe me, it works. It may seem a bit daunting to paint from a live subject, but with patience and practice, I'm sure you will be able to paint just like this. Even this beautiful dried leaf with all the twists and turns. I will teach you how to study the leaf to get your color palette right, then how to draw the leaf in correct proportions, and how to layer paint to get the depth, and then to add the details to give it a lifelike appearance. While you don't have the same leaf, but I have included a photograph of this leaf in case you want to paint along with me. By the technique that I teach you, you can use any leaf as a reference and paint along with me. I'll see you in the class, and I hope you have fun.